Welcome to Cricut. My name's Nicole. In this course, we're going to learn about 3 different ways to design using Cricut Design Space: using ready-to-make projects, customizing ready-to-make projects, and designing from scratch. Learning these beginner-level skills will help open up a world of making possibilities. First, we'll start by searching in ready-to-make projects for this cute strawberry banner. Then we'll customize the same project using text to add our phrase. Finally, we'll design a banner project from scratch in Design Space using free shapes, images, and fonts. Just so you know, this course is focused on Design Space, not project assembly. Check out our other Cricut Learn courses for more information on assembly techniques. The sky's the limit. You'll be able to use these skills to design an unlimited number of projects using different materials, blanks, and techniques. So let's get started.